Hello everyone, Michael back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify and use your company's colors in your Power App. If you enjoy Power Apps, Power Automate, SharePoint, and Teams videos, feel free to subscribe. I'll be putting out more videos in those areas. And now for my intro. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify your company's color values and then how you can use those values in your Power App. So I went ahead and created a logo for Michael Alex. So we have a purple background and we have a green text. So looking at this, you might not know what your company's color is and you might not know how to identify it. If I go into the Power App and let's say I add a label at the top and I want this to match my company's colors. I look at the right hand side, I have the colors over here and that purple might not match it. That purple doesn't match that purple. And then you go into the custom, you got to have a hex code and everything. So I'm going to show you how to identify that. So if we look at this, I'm going to go ahead and actually use a tool that is on all Windows systems. I'm going to go in my search bar down here and then open up the snipping tool. All right, so I went ahead and searched down at the bottom. You just click the search, type in snipping tool, and then you open it. So we want to go ahead and take a screenshot of this. So if you click on new, and it freezes the screen and lets you take a little drag and drop screenshot. So I went ahead and copied my logo. So now what I want to do is go ahead and click on the button over here that says edit in Paint, and that will open Paint on your computer. And then we're going to go ahead, we can minimize the snipping tool. And I want to go ahead and click on the color picker. It is this icon right here. I'm going to click in my purple area in my logo. As you can see, our color changed to the lavender. If I click on the edit colors over here, we now have the actual color value and we have the RGB. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the color value right here. And let's go ahead and navigate over to my Power App. So we have the label right here. Going to go ahead and rename it. So label header. So let's go ahead and make this background be to my company's color. And that will be in the fill property. So right now, I just clicked on the random purple that Power Apps has available. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. I'm going to do color value. And then for the whatever you copied from the paint, we're going to put that in double quotes. And then we're going to close it up. So as you can see, we have the purple that matches my company logo. So let's go ahead and do the green now. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate back to the paint. Going to go ahead and click on the color picker. Going to click within the green. Click on edit colors. Copy the code, I believe it's called. Close out of that. Navigate back over to my Power App. And so this one's going to be the font. Going to click on color. We are going to replace the current value in there with color value. You want to put that hex code in double quotes. And now you can see we have that green right there. Let me go ahead and make it bigger for y'all. That is font size. So we'll just do 40. And we'll center this, make it bold. I feel like 45. And then we'll add a little border around it. Okay. There we go. We have our matching green and matching purple that matches my logo. So that's how you identify your colors in Power Apps. And now I'm just going to show you a little extra trick that you can do using, I believe it's called name formulas. So if you click on the app over here, and if you go ahead and scroll the properties, you want to go ahead and click on formulas. I click on formulas. So here I can actually declare the code for that color and give it a variable name. Let's go ahead and start typing background company background color, and I'm going to set that equal to my color value. If I go ahead and navigate back to that fill, copy that code, go to the formulas, paste that in, and then add the semicolon. And we'll do the same for the foreground. So that'd be the color. It's the green. Little Doctor Doom colors going on. And then we will do company foreground color. Paste that in. Make sure you have a semicolon after your last statement in the formulas. We're just going to run the on star right here. If I navigate back over to my label header, I can go ahead and remove this color right here and replace it to what I declared in the name formulas. So in my case, it's called company foreground color. As you can see, it changed to the green, so I don't have to type that code over and over again. I'm going to go ahead and navigate back to my formulas, go to the company background color, go to the fill, place that with just the variable name, which is company background color. And now if I want to use those colors in, let's say, like a button or something, I can just use those two, company background color, company foreground color. Let me go ahead and just add a button really quick. So we get this big blue button right here. Not my company colors, so we want to go ahead and change that, and we can do that easily with those variables. So that'd be company foreground color. Then we can also do company background color. As you can see, I don't know why they always do that. The hover color always defaults to the blue. So another tip, you have to usually change this. So this is going to be color fade. That's going to be company background color. So navigates over, makes the purple darker purple. I want to change those colors to something else, and I want it to spread across my whole Power App. And just change the formula to something else, and I can get like a different shade, purple, and it goes across the whole app. So I definitely recommend using the name formulas. It's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of copy and pasting. You don't have to do it across different components across your app. It's very simple and very easy to use. So I highly recommend it. And you might impress your managers or something if you do it that way. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video about how to identify your company's colors and then use them in Power Apps. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe if you want to. If you don't like the video, leave me a comment, tell me why you don't like it, and I will catch you guys in the next video.